Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I would like to discuss about a remote opportunity in India at a good company called Twilio. So let's talk about the job. So basically, this is the job, software engineer L1 in remote India, and the company is Twilio. So basically this company is in Bangalore. It's a good product based company. So I recommend you guys to apply for this job. So let's see what kind of person they're looking for. So basically, they're looking for someone who has completed bachelor degree and who has some knowledge on running cloud environments like AWS, experience with Java, including async programming, experience with building and using REST APIs, experience with relational databases like MySQL. So I think these are all the skills except AWS. I think those skills would be taught in your BTech. So I think you can give a try for this job, even if you're a fresher. And what exactly they're looking for? So this is required, and this are desired or something like they can be like your added advantage. So they're looking for someone who have some container technologies like the current Kubernetes and exposure with technologies like EC2, DynamoDB, Redis, Kafka, Elastic Cache. These are uh, some advanced level technologies, I would say. And the scripting in Python or Bash, and some project experience working with team members as intern or college to do, and end-to-end project showcasing. So these looks like pretty basic skills, and if you have some good knowledge or good experience as an intern in a like a full stack developer, this would be a perfect fit for you. And the good advantage here is this is a remote role. They will hire in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Maharashtra, and New Delhi. So people who wants to work in a work from home, this is a good opportunity, I would say. And these are some benefits that company will provide. I think that is not needed to discuss as of now. And these are the responsibilities that this job should do. So I recommend you go with this. These are like responsibilities of what you need to do in the company, but even if you do in the past or not, that doesn't make any difference. So these are the skills I want you to have in your resume so that it would be like an added advantage so that you can apply for the job. So if someone who is already applied and already given an interview for this role, please do share your feedback so that other people can take a look and they can learn as well. So what details you need to apply for this job? Just normal details like first name, last name, email, phone number, and please attach your resume. That's it. Answer these questions, which are very basic, I would say, and you can click on submit applications. This is how you can apply for this job. And this is a good remote opportunity. I recommend you to apply for the job. And apart from that, guys, I wanted to talk about the jobs that I'm posting daily in the LinkedIn. I'm posting job for every 5 minutes, so I recommend you to take advantage of it and apply for the jobs. So this is my profile, Prakash K. I would be sharing the link in the description so that please do follow and you won't miss any job opportunity. Thank you and have a great day.